Hey there, all you crazy crafters out there. 2025 is all about making your home feel warm, personal, and eco-friendly. Today I'm breaking down the top 3 DIY home decor trends that are taking over this year. I've got something exciting you won't want to miss, making it easier than ever to bring these trends into your home. Let's get started. The first trend is artisanal and handcrafted pieces, and this one I'm really excited about. Unique, custom-made furniture and decor are making a huge comeback. People are moving away from mass-produced pieces and embracing one-of-a-kind handmade designs that bring character and warmth to their spaces. Handcrafted items tell a story. Whether it's the slight variations in a wood carving, the brush strokes on a hand-painted sign, or the unique texture of pottery, these small imperfections are what make handmade pieces feel personal and meaningful. Something you just don't get with factory-made decor. The best part? You don't have to be a professional artisan to add this to your home. With DIY projects, you can create stunning handcrafted decor that reflects your personal style without the high price tag. Plus, crafting your own pieces allows you to customize colors, materials, and designs to fit your space perfectly. The second biggest trend is earthy neutrals. Warm, nature-inspired tones like terracotta, olive green, and warm beige are taking over color palettes, giving homes a cozy yet modern feel. These colors mimic the beauty of the natural world. Think sun-baked clay, lush greenery, and the subtle warmth of sand, creating a space that feels both inviting and timeless. These shades are perfect for crafting a calm and versatile home. They work effortlessly with natural materials like raw wood, textured stone, and soft linen, making it easy to mix and match for a relaxed, organic look. Whether you're painting an accent wall, revamping decor pieces, or simply adding subtle touches through textiles and accessories, earthy neutrals bring balance and harmony to any space. And last but definitely not least, sustainability is at the heart of home decor in 2025. More and more people are making conscious choices by using reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and eco-friendly fabrics in their DIY projects. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also gives materials a second life, transforming them into stylish, high-quality decor with a story to tell. The impact of sustainable choices is huge. Did you know that the U.S. sends over 12 million tons of furniture to landfills every year? That's a staggering amount of waste, most of which could be reused, repurposed, or upcycled. By choosing sustainable materials, we're not just crafting beautiful pieces. We're helping reduce landfill waste, lower carbon emissions, and conserve natural resources. Plus, sustainable decor isn't just good for the planet. It's also good for your wallet. Upcycling old furniture, repurposing scrap materials, or sourcing secondhand pieces can save money while adding character and uniqueness to your home. So, how can you bring these 2025 trends into your home without the hassle of hunting for materials or figuring out the designs from scratch? That's exactly why I created Crazy Craft Creations, a DIY kit company that makes crafting fun, easy, and hassle-free. And here's a little sneak peek of what's to come. Our very first Crazy Craft Creations box design. We wanted something that feels as special and creative as the kits inside. Let me know in the comments what you think of our kit design. Right now, our kits are still in the development stage, and we're getting ready to launch a crowdfunding campaign to bring them to life. Each kit will come with hand-selected eco-friendly materials, step-by-step instructions, and even video tutorials, so you can create gorgeous handcrafted pieces that fit perfectly into these 2025 trends. You can visit our website here to join our email list and be the first to know when we launch our crowdfunding campaigns, kit releases, and receive monthly DIY tips and ideas straight to your inbox. We'd love to hear your feedback as we're refining our DIY kits. Use this QR code or look in the description of this video for the link to take our survey and help us create the perfect kits for you. And if you want even more DIY inspirations, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So, whether you're looking to add artisanal touches, embrace earthy neutrals, or make sustainable swaps to your home decor, Crazy Craft Creations has got you covered, making it easier than ever to create high-quality, sustainable decor pieces for your home.